Hey guys, Sean Terry here, and this is the last video for the 2021 Memorial Day Super Sale. It's going on right now, 90% off all these products you see below me right now. So above me is the amount of units that we have left, or below me, wherever on this page, might be a little thing at the bottom that says how many units we have left. So we've allocated a certain amount of units for this particular sale. We don't want to crowd the coaching calls, so the bottom line is when that number hits 0, then the sale ends, whichever comes first. Also, there should be a timer on this page above me as well. When that timer hits 0, the sale is complete. So here's the thing. You followed along, you've seen the opening video, you've seen all the different product videos with down payment arbitrage and all these incredible products that we have right now and software that you get for 90% off. Now, this is the best time to take advantage of this because right now listen, we're going into June, we're going into July, we got August, and right now the market is on fire. Now is the time to learn exactly how to do deals nationally across the country, how to structure seller finance deals, how to scale your business to the next level, how to get our perfect follow-up systems and Freedom Logic that we work with. So all of that, including REI Automated, you get all of that part of this sale. It's a complete package. This is the best way to get involved with what we do. So, and also too, you also will get an invite from one of my team members to participate in how to do deals with me and my team here in Phoenix, Arizona. So I'm not going to talk about that right now. You got to learn more about it. But the bottom line is this: there's an opportunity not only with this, but to do deals across the country. Now, what the thing is also that I decided to put together a part of this package is where I will personally teach how to get your first $15,000 check nationally, right? Where you don't have any cash or any credit, but you will learn over a 2-day process where I'm going to walk you through step by step on what it will take from lead generation to talking to sellers to making offers over the phone in this current market right now. Now the market's on fire, we know. You can't use 70% less repairs, less fees and expect to get a deal. So what do you do when the market's super hot right now and in some of these larger markets you have multiple offers, and how do you beat that, right? And also we're going to talk about smaller markets across the country and then how to comp those properties and then how to get those properties under contract. So here's the thing, is that this is a fast track implementation course taught by me where we're gonna go through that process on how to get your first $15,000 check. Now here's the thing, it's all numbers, right? All you gotta do is reverse engineer exactly what it takes to get a deal. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna reverse engineer it. We're gonna show you exactly what you need to focus on when you can be hyper-focused over the next 30 to 45 days that you can go out and you can get that first check. Or, you know what, maybe get another check. And now you can rinse and repeat and do the same thing over and over and over again. So this is by far, with that bonus and everything you get, is something you'll never see again. It won't be part of it, and it comes to the point now where you go, okay, I've got to make a decision. You've seen all the frequently asked questions. You've seen, all the different products in softwares that we offer part of this package. So now you come to a decision, right? Now when the clock hits 0, the count hits 0, you're gonna have what's called regret, where you're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that I missed that deal, because you're not gonna see it again ever, right? You're not gonna see it again. We have never had the same package of products together in one time, especially with this live one-on-one implementation training ever that we've done, and you get to participate in it right now. And it's literally 90% off. I mean, it's for a fraction of the cost, and if you want to do a 2-pay, you can do a 2-pay if you want. So we try to make it as affordable as possible so you can participate. And I can tell you this, I put a lot of pride in making the best quality, highest quality, timely up-to-date, current products out there today. And I know for a fact this package is the best you can get. And now you get to be part of our Flip to Freedom family, which is amazing. And then you get invites to other things, because only members get invites to where you can come work with our team and actually earn while you learn and do deals and stuff like that, which is really, really cool. So first off, now's the time to take advantage of it. Now's the time to make a decision, and now you're on the crossroad, right? Now you have to make a decision. Do you A, continue doing what you've been doing, or B, do you take a new path, a different path? It might be scary. You might be, holy cow, I've never invested in myself before. I've never bought a course before. Well, here's the thing. If you continue down the same path, you're going to continue to get what you've always got. Right? So if you want to know where you're going to be 3 years from now, look where you were 3 years ago. You know, were you driving the same car, living the same lifestyle, having the same issues, same bank account? If all is the same, if you continue down the same path, doing the same thing, you'll get the same results. Right? It's like, you know, doing the same thing, expecting something different is the definition of insanity, right? So what do? You have to do something different. Well, investing in yourself is huge, and then going down a different path, taking different actions, and learning different skills is called specialized knowledge. And Napoleon Hill talks about it in the book Think and Grow Rich. So that specialized knowledge that you're going down right there, you can apply it to generate revenue, and you can make more in a month than you can make in a year on a regular job. But here's the thing, is that there is no guarantee if you go down this path doing the same old, But there is a guarantee if you go down the new path, the fresh path, the different path, my path, right? The Memorial Day path, sale path. If you go down there, there's a 100% guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied, you can ask for a refund, and guess what? You will get a refund on the product. Because listen, I know my stuff is great, and I know once you get involved and you start digging into it, it's an incredible, and it will be life-changing, and I know it'll change your life. And believe me, I've talked to thousands of other people, and it changed their lives too. So this is not a situation where it's unproven. This is already proven. I've got, close to, I think now 30,000 members that have gone through our courses across the country, and the stories and success stories are just unbelievable. So here's the thing. It's decision time. It's now time to get started. Add it to the order. You don't want to procrastinate. Do it right now. Get it done, and you'll feel good, and you can start diving in, learning the information. And I can tell you, once you get in, you're going to go, holy cow, this is amazing. It's life-changing, and it will be better than you expected. Some things you buy and you go, oh, you're kind of let down. This will be better than you expected. Why? I know that because that's the feedback I get. And we've constantly survey and try to make our stuff incredible. So get started today, get signed up. I'll see you on the next coaching call, and God bless.